So the questions, number one is, how do you make money with paid ads that cost pennies or cents? YouTube, if that's something you're interested in, man, like, driving traffic with paid ads, YouTube is incredibly inexpensive, and you can do affiliate marketing with YouTube. I've one thing that's on my wish list for 2022 is to get back into really trying to drive traffic for local businesses with YouTube ads. I do it for clients on like a branding level. It's like an indirect lead generation method. That's more about branding. But I want to start testing on like driving, lead generation with YouTube ads for local businesses. But you got to break some eggs. You got to spend some money to do it, because you got to test and all that kind of stuff. But YouTube is a great strategy for low cost traffic if that's something you're interested in. And you can get into the affiliate marketing side. I would recommend, if you're thinking about doing YouTube ads and affiliate marketing, go follow Justin Sardi. He is the master. He's got that great big hair, that fucking hair like this, and he does a lot of weed stuff too. But he's the master at that. I learned how to run YouTube ads from him, even though he doesn't really teach local. That's really how I learned how to run YouTube ads. Justin Sardi's badass. If you're interested in doing affiliate marketing and using YouTube as your traffic source, I highly recommend, or YouTube ads, I highly recommend you should go follow Justin Sardi. Okay. So that would be my recommendation on that. I don't do Facebook ads, never had any desire to do it. So I can't talk about that. And I don't think those are cheap anymore anyway. So again, YouTube is the only thing I would suggest for inexpensive paid traffic. All right.